Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be focusing on the next success principle which will actually help you to build a strong mindset. And this is something which you should be again noting down in your work success mindset workbook. If you have not yet created, it is a workbook which I told you to create in the past video, where you will be putting down all the mental blocks, okay, all the mindset blocks that are required to build a solid online business from scratch. So in this video I'll be showing you more about the next success principle which I believe is absolutely must to build your online business. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video I'll be focusing on how you should go about planning up your work and how you should go about taking up massive action. This is very important because without planning and action, nothing is possible. Okay, so in the first success principle video, I had shown you about having a burning desire to achieve one big goal in your life. Okay, you need to have the burning desire. Your goal should be big enough to motivate you. You should have one goal to achieve at a time, and now is the time where I'll be showing you how to go about doing planning and action. Also in the second success principle video, I showed you how to get strong belief in yourself that you can achieve your goal, and to do this I had shown you 3 steps to do it, 3 ways. Okay, the 3 exercises, simple exercises to do it, and that includes affirmation, visualization and hypnosis. So with this the next success principle which I want you to install in your mindset is the power of planning as well as action. So I'll show you how to go about planning things up. So let's get started with the planning part. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you have to create a to-do list. Okay, a to-do list is something where you know exactly what you will be doing to achieve your goal from start to finish. Now that you are new to online business and you don't know as to what exactly you should be doing, so you should have someone to show you how to build an online business. And when you have that material, when you have that knowledge to build an online business, you can then convert it into a plan, action plan. Okay, so if you're still not aware of how to start an online business and you want a step-by-step training, you can just click on the link right below this video, and I have created some amazing training for you. You know, it's approximately 2 hours of video content. It costs dirt cheap. It only costs $7, and I'll give you a complete step-by-step plan to build your online business from scratch. So click on the video right below, click on the link right below this video, and you'll be getting the complete plan to build your online business. And once you have that plan, you can convert it into a to-do list. A to-do list is a list that you create that will help you to, the to-do list is a set of tasks that you create that will help you to move towards your goal in a step-by-step format. It is actually a to-do list, what you need to do to build your online business. Okay, each and every task has to be written down. So when you have the knowledge of building an online business, write down a complete to-do list that you think you should be doing to build your online business from start to finish. So the first step is to create your to-do list. Now the next step is to prioritize your to-do list. Okay, now that you have removed everything out of your brain as to what you will be doing to build your online business, now you have to prioritize your to-do list in a way that you know exactly what is the first item that you should be doing, then the second item, third item, fourth item. You have to arrange them based on its priority. Now the next challenge that you will face when you will be arranging the list in a priority section is that you will find that the tasks in the to-do list can be categorized by important tasks and urgent tasks. Okay, so you have to categorize all the tasks in your to-do list based on its importance and urgency. Now this is very important to understand because as I've told repeatedly in my past videos, that there are 3 pillars to building an online business. The first is traffic, the second is relationship, and the third is products. Okay, so now you have to focus exclusively, you have to focus all your time exclusively in working to build these 3 pillars, because if you're putting your time in doing anything else besides these 3 things, you're simply wasting your time. Okay, and you're absolutely wasting your time, and you're not growing. So that means you're doing an unproductive work. The only productive type of work that you are doing is when you're focusing in building these 3 pillars. So the important tasks, all the important tasks that you will be doing will be actually focusing in these 3 parts. So you have to categorize your tasks, okay, into 2 subcategories, that is important work as well as urgency based tasks. Okay, so urgency based tasks might include tasks like calling someone to follow up. You can call, these urgency based tasks are tasks similar to like emailing people, okay, to communicate about a specific thing, or probably you have to call a freelancer to make sure that the work is done on time. So there are many tasks which actually you have to do in your day-to-day activities, but it will not give you growth. These are called basically unproductive work. So when you categorize your tasks based on important as well as urgency, you will find that all the urgency based tasks are unimportant work, as well as the important tasks will fit into this. All the tasks that you are doing to drive traffic to your website, to build relationship, and to create products will go in the important task list. Okay, and your sole purpose and your complete focus should be in completing the important task first every morning. Okay, and the urgency tasks you can either outsource it to someone, or probably you can divide a time percentage between these 2 tasks. Okay, the biggest reason of failure is that people devote all their time and energy in these urgency tasks and they avoid important tasks. Okay, they want to get things done, all the urgent tasks done first, but the fact is that most of the urgent tasks will not give you growth. Okay, you have to remove a certain percent of your time in doing the important stuff. Okay, so you have to categorize all your tasks in importance as well as urgency based, and then prioritize them. Prioritize these 2 lists. Okay, now the third step you can do is set up a weekly, monthly and a yearly plan. Okay, out of these 2 lists, okay, mainly the most important list is this one, the important task. So arrange those tasks into weekly, monthly and a yearly plan. Okay, so you have to actually set up these 3 type of lists: weekly, monthly and yearly list, and all the tasks in the priority should absolutely focus on your end goal. And the next step you have to do is give a time for every task in your list, because if you don't give time, you tend to get lazy. Okay, so you just sit around and you don't complete things. So complete your most difficult things first and give time to every task, and then pick up 4 to 5 tasks every day and get it done. Okay, so if you give certain time to every task, you know exactly that you have to do these certain tasks today that will move you one step towards your end goal. Okay, so when you have this time limit set, you have your weekly, monthly and yearly plan, you have the tasks divided into importance and urgency based, then all you have to do is take your list and take massive action. Okay, take massive action based on the time frame you have given for every task. So this is the most important step. Okay, so when you do this, when you take massive action based on the list, there is no reason why you will not move towards your end goal in a step-by-step format. Okay, so in this video I have tried my best to explain you how to create a plan, a simple plan, and to take massive action using that plan. Use these steps because these steps are really important. It will show you exactly what you need to do, okay, to build your online business from scratch. And if you don't know exactly what you need to do to set up your to-do list and a plan, you don't have any knowledge to build an online business, then click on the link right below this video and I have created a 2 hours worth of training product for you, which costs only $7 and will give you all the details you need to know to build a successful online business starting today. So with this, I'll end up this video, and I hope you have got great value in this video, and have a great day. Goodbye.